Imagine this. You walk into your living room, and suddenly, that smell hits you. You look down, and there it is, a pet urine stain on your carpet. You grab soap and water, scrub like crazy, but the stain is still there. Even worse, that nasty ammonia smell lingers, and your pet keeps returning to the same spot. So, how do you remove pet urine stains permanently? And how do you do it without damaging your carpet? I've got the perfect DIY solution, using simple household ingredients that work better than store-bought cleaners. But before we dive into this super easy stain removal method, make sure to subscribe. Like this video if you love your pets, but not their accidents. Comment below if you've ever struggled with pet stains. I might cover more cleaning hacks next. Now let's fix this once and for all. Pet urine doesn't just sit on the surface. It soaks deep into carpet fibers, and if not cleaned properly, it leaves behind bacteria that cause persistent odor. Most people make 3 big mistakes. Using hot water, this sets the stain and makes it worse. Scrubbing too hard, this pushes the urine deeper into the carpet. Ignoring the smell, if your pet can smell it, they'll pee there again. But don't worry. I'll show you the best DIY cleaning mix to lift the stain, kill bacteria, and remove odor permanently. Baking soda, 2 tablespoons. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture, bacteria, and bad smells. White vinegar, 1 cup. Vinegar breaks down urine crystals, eliminating both stains and odors without damaging carpet fibers. Hydrogen peroxide, ½ cup. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild disinfectant that kills bacteria and lifts deep stains without bleaching your carpet. Dish soap, 1 teaspoon. Dish soap breaks down oily residues and helps the cleaner penetrate deep into the fibers. Warm water, 1 cup. Warm, not hot. Water dilutes the solution and helps it soak into the stain effectively. In a spray bottle or bowl, mix 1 cup white vinegar, ½ cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon dish soap, 1 cup warm water. Stir well to combine. Then let's apply it to the stain. Blot the stain immediately. If the stain is fresh, grab paper towels or a clean cloth and blot as much urine as possible. Light bulb pro tip: press down with a heavy object for a few minutes to soak up deep moisture. Apply the cleaning solution. Spray or pour the mixture directly onto the stain. Make sure it fully covers the area and soaks into the carpet fibers. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to break down urine crystals. Use a fresh dry towel to soak up the liquid. Press down firmly, but don't rub. If the stain is old, repeat this step twice. Sprinkle baking soda and let it dry. Now, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda over the damp area. Leave it overnight to absorb any remaining moisture and odor. In the morning, vacuum it up. Your carpet will be fresh and clean. For extra stubborn stains, repeat the process. Add a little more hydrogen peroxide for stronger lifting power. If the smell still lingers, place a bowl of baking soda near the area for a few days. It will absorb any leftover odor. Clean up stains immediately. The longer they sit, the harder they are to remove. Use an enzyme cleaner occasionally. This helps break down lingering pet odors. Keep pets away from past accidents. Cover the area with foil or furniture temporarily. Train your pet properly. Reward them for using the right spot. If your pet keeps peeing in the same area, they might be marking their territory. In that case, a vet check might be a good idea. And that's it. Now you know the easiest way to remove pet urine stains without expensive cleaners. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home cleaning tips. Let me know in the comments, what's the biggest mess your pet has ever made? I'd love to hear your stories.